So every program that we type into Java is going to have the same basic structure. It'll vary depending on what we're trying to complete, but there's some components that I'd like to just give you an overview of before we dive into this world of programming. If you look at this screen, this is a pretty complicated program that we won't be writing for a while, but just looking at the components of it, you notice, first of all, there's a lot of different colors being represented here. And there's a lot of different symbols as well. So I want to talk about comments in programming, and a lot of programming classes maybe skip the part about comments, but I think it's one of the most crucial things and most important things that you can do, not only for yourself, but as a courtesy to other programmers who might be looking at your code. Comments turn orange in programs, and that is indicating to your computer, hey, don't look at me, I'm not any instruction that you'll understand. These instructions are for humans. Then, before I even start writing any code, there's an import section. I might have to import other programs from that different programmers wrote so that I don't have to recreate everything on my own. And that's what I would do next. The next thing that I would do is type in the words public and class. Notice how the words import, public, and class all turned purple when they were typed in. These are special words. They're called keywords in programming, and they have a special meaning to the computer. The compiler will take those and translate those into the machine code, and they have a special meaning. But the name of program goes here, and that can be anything you want it to be. Later on, when you save your program, you'll call it this with the extension .java after it. These brackets that you see will hold in the entire program. So you see one at the beginning here, and then you see one way down here, the very last thing. This next section in my program is actually the meat of the program. That is public static void, again, all keywords, all case sensitive, and then the word main with string, hard brackets, and args in parentheses. This indicates to my computer, hey, look at me first, do me first. And so this is also held in with brackets. So you see one here at the top, and then all the way down at the bottom, you'll see another bracket. And then you notice that I have even more comments in here, and this is where all the magic is happening, all the code. We'll be focused on this code during the next several lessons to learn different commands that we can use and ways to solve problems using Java. So hopefully you understand now that there is a basic structure that all programs have, and we're going to start using that now.